If you've ever considered a career working with young children, helping them to get the best start in their development and learning at this formative stage in their lives, you will be interested in applying for the 2-year Advanced Certificate in Early Learning and Care, starting this September in the Waterford College of Further Education. The Advanced Certificate in Early Learning and Care is suitable for applicants who have completed their Leaving Cert or Leaving Cert Applied or Level 4 equivalent, as well as mature applicants who wish to gain the professional qualifications they need to work in the early childhood care and education sector. The modules on this course will cover developmental and educational theory, how to meet the care and learning needs of all young children, including children who have additional needs, as well as the administration skills required to lead practice in an early years setting. Students who successfully complete all their first-year modules will gain a QQI Level 5 certificate in Early Learning and Care and can progress to the second year of the course to gain a QQI Level 6 Advanced Certificate in Early Learning and Care. Graduates may also wish to use their Early Learning and Care qualifications to progress on to a degree programme in Early Childhood Studies. Here in the Waterford College of Further Education, we are excited about the Advanced Certificate in Early Learning and Care, and we look forward to receiving your online application via our college website. As one of the great educational theorists, Maria Montessori, said, "Within the child lies the fate of the future."